First, create a tree map and assign a relevant field and measure. For this example, I will be using World Cup data, looking at the sum of attendance by city. When you hover over the individual boxes, you can see the default hover tips. To create the hover tree map, first create a new page, go to Format your report page and open Canvas settings. Change the type to tooltip from the drop-down box. Now add a tree map and make sure that it covers the canvas in full. Now add the relevant field or fields from your data. For this example, I want to show the attendance of stadiums. Let's rename the tabs so we know what they are showing. Go back and select your main tree map. This is the breakdown of city attendances for me. Select Format your visual, go to the General tab, open up Tooltips and select the tooltip page you created from the drop-down list. This is Stadium in this example. And that's done. Now when you hover over the tree map, you will see the individual breakdowns for the stadiums in each city. Very useful. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if this how-to guide was useful to you.